we got here. Got a 58 series burner on propane. So everything's clogged up. So we're gonna get those changed out. Just do it right here. Right here. These are a real pain. So here's my burner. And these 58 series, they come individually. That's what it should look like. See how it's all rusted. So what you have to do, it's got these little tabs that hold the burners in, right there. You have to get those. Whoa. You gotta get those tabs. And bend them up. They're a pain, total pain in the butt. I do a lot of these burners. Just because I deal with so much LP. LP is, man, it just rips up burners. I'm gonna kill myself here. I hate these burners, they're such a pain. Not like the new ones. The new ones come on the rack and everything. You just slide them in for the 59 series. So, and you just put the new burners on. Such a pain. You just bend the tabs right back over. It's kind of a janky design. old burner, new burner. So that's how you change the burner on a, it's like a 58 MCA. One thing you got to be careful of too is, see the bridge burner? See how it's pinched? Make sure they're not pinched down so it'll bridge. It will bridge over when it lights up. If you don't pay attention to these, it won't light up all the way across. So that's just a quick burner change out. I was out here on a maintenance and it didn't look like the burners were changed out for quite some time, probably 10 years. Well, no, they were cleaned 4 years ago, but they were totally trashed. Alright guys, sorry I haven't been posting, but it's been a very, very busy summer for me personally. And another thing is how many capacitor changes you guys want to watch. You know, it's summer is very, for me, very monotonous, repetitive. Not too much exciting. Actually, I didn't do really anything worth filming this summer. I mean, just, I don't know, the quality of calls was very, let's say, crappy this summer. And plus, you know, I mean, I've been out on the boat, spending time with the kids this summer a lot, and you know, got some health issues too in the family, so it's been a very let's say busy summer. No, everyone's okay, everyone's doing good, but it's just there's not much to film, you know. Now it's let's see, it is September 10th, and we are starting heating season. I'm already all this week I've done furnace checks right after Labor Day, and I haven't done any air conditioning, so I'm starting to get into heating season again. So you guys down south are still baking hot, and we're starting to cool down up here, and you know, we got nights in the 50s, and my demographic up here is a lot older, and they get cold really quick. So at 50 degrees they're turning on their heat, you know. They don't want to drop a few degrees in the house. So, but it's been yeah, I don't know, doing videos has been very challenging, let's put it that way, because there's just not a lot of stuff to do any videos on. There's just not a lot of stuff. So that was a quick burner change. Common, I change a lot of burners out up here due to propane. Propane just eats the burners up no matter what. You can clean them every year, it's still going to eat them up. So on a propane furnace, you want to replace them once every 3 to 5 years, depending on propane quality, how much you run it, you know, and so on. But this is just kind of a quick video, kind of getting back on track with the videos. We'll have more to come. I got some backlog of videos, not very much, but I just haven't had time to even post them because I've just been so busy, and now the kids are going back to school. I have 4 boys, so it's been quite a hectic summer, let's put it that way. So I will keep the videos coming, and like and subscribe. I appreciate you guys still watching, even though I haven't been posting videos. You guys are still watching videos, which is cool. Thank you very much. And we'll go from there. And I will see you on the next one. Thank you.